DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
What's good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it is, gang. The Dan is the last. Yeah, man, gang. You see what we're doing today, man. Yo, first off, I hope y'all having a good week. If not, a good Wednesday. And if not, man, you don't know. It's only the middle of the week. We still got the rest of the week to go, so you can always turn it around. You already know. Yeah, man, gang. You see what we're doing today, man. We back with the reactions, man. And today we think today we're there, America. You see what I'm saying? We reacting to some hip hop. You see what I'm saying? And this artist reacting today, man, been making a little noise. You see me? Been making a little buzz, man. Ever since he dropped his style, bro. You see me? I say, yeah, he's been doing his thing, bro. And we gotta react to him, man. See what I did. Been meaning to check him out on the channel. We haven't reacted to him on the channel yet. You see me? I say, so all the Dan Mafia members and we listen to hip hop should know what I'm talking about. Today we with BossMan Dlow. You see me? And this is a featuring little baby, the one named PJ. I check it out and see what dog I deal with. You see me, gang? When I hold up the vibe much longer, you see me? You see me? I say, what's what dog I deal with?
Film it, then it ain't filmed right.
Nigga. Yeah. Nigga. Bizarre.
Come on.
Yeah. I came a long way from lunch trays and eating rice. Phone ain't got no service, I'm on a PJ shooting dice. Went from $50 to my name to $50K a night. You wanna fuck with a big Zod, baby, you can't be scared of heights.
This shit hitting, gang. Come on, we gotta pull this shit out, man. Come on. This I done came a long way from
Nigga.
yeah.
Yeah.
Sliding on this nigga slide. Oh shit, nigga got the Cybertruck in. 2 Cybertrucks in this bitch.
I came a long way from lunch trays and eating rice. Phone ain't got no service, I'm on a PJ shooting dice. Went from $50 to my name.
On the service, I'm on a PJ shooting dice, nigga.
To $50K a night. You wanna fuck with a big Zod, baby, you can't be scared of heights. I wanna take you to the 60th floor and fuck you in a pink. Move them bags for me, baby, I'll pay your
rent. The 60th floor. You on penthouse. Come on.
Tinted windows on the rentals, nothing less than 5%.
Yeah.
These niggas ain't ballin', you niggas be on the bench.
Nigga, come on.
The sideline, you ain't getting no playing time. I be with them shit poppers, ice on, I'm outside.
The sideline, you ain't getting no playing time, nigga. Come on.
Pockets full of cheese, nigga. Fresher than Febreze, nigga. Smelling like some Creed, nigga. Head to toe Celine, nigga.
Come on, fresher than Febreze, nigga. Smelling like some Creed, nigga. Come on. This nigga sliding, bro. Nigga sliding, bro. Come on. Let me know everything, gang. Come on, this man sliding.
Cheese, nigga. Fresher than Febreze, nigga. Smelling like some Creed, nigga. Head to toe Celine, nigga. Real solid street, nigga. It's in my eyes, boy. Come and get in with too slippery, shit'll change your life, boy. Yeah, I'm screaming fuck 12 till they free the guys, boy. You ain't gotta put me.
Oh hell no, she got on 2 ankle bracelets, nigga. You lying? Hold on.
I'm screaming fuck 12 till they free the.
Bro, I ain't never seen this shit before, bro. They gave your ass 2? She a demon, bro. She a little demon, bro. Don't play with her, bro. They gave her ass 2 ankle monitors. She must have cut it off before. This ain't her first rodeo, bro.
The guys, boy. You ain't gotta put me in the game, cause I'm starting 5, boy. But this ain't a game, this is how I live. Trap ain't dead, I'm dead for.
Bro, this in Florida? This in Florida?
Real. I'm in a big body switching gears. Naked wrists on Zephyr Hill. Mouth on Aquafina, baby. Pockets thick like Serena, baby. Pull up in that, yeah.
This ain't, I think this is from Memphis, bro. Correct me if I'm wrong, gang. Yeah, this is,
Pull up brand new Beamer, baby. I came a long way from lunch trays and eating rice. Phone ain't got no service, I'm on a PJ shooting dice. Went from $50 to my name to $50K a night.
$50 to my name to $50 a night. Oh shit, nigga, come on.
You wanna fuck with a big Zod, baby, you can't be scared of heights. I wanna take you to the 60th.
Hey, little baby from the jump in, I wonder where this nigga going.
And fuck you in a pink. Move them bags for me, baby, I'll pay your rent. Tinted windows on the rentals, nothing less than 5%. These niggas ain't ballin', you niggas be on the bench.
Load them bags for me, baby, you could be my bitch. All them times I been in handcuffs, shit, I had to bust my wrist.
my bad, baby. You can be my bitch. Come on, nigga. All the time I'm gonna bust my wrist, nigga. Gotta bust that shit down.
You niggas be on the bench, man.
Throw them bags for me, baby. You could be my bitch. All them times I've been in handcuffs, shit, I
Had to bust the wrist. Come on. Had to bust that. He rolled it down. Come on. Had to bust that shit down, man. Times nigga be. Come on.
Jay shooting dice with D-Lo, father on the phone. When we land, I hit a couple folks and tell them it's on the floor. My little young hoe want his out at Birkin, she might know some shit. Start this bitch on fire, another house for hoes and spit. I can show you how to run it up, I really know this shit.
Shit. Come on, talk your shit, little baby. Come on.
Turn a pound into 100,000 on a golden list. I'm the illest, baby.
Pow. Now pounding 100,000. I'm the golden. Come on. Man, on the golden or golden list. Which one is it, dog? But come on. People thought Lil Baby fall off. People thought Lil Baby fell off. Nah, this nigga pulling the Drake. Nah, nigga doing features and shit. Come on.
Bitch on fire, another house for hoes and spit. I can show you how to run it up, I really know this shit. Turn a pound into 100,000 on a golden list. I'm the illest, baby, and the realest, baby. 155 pounds, but I'm the biggest, baby.
Woo! Lie. Wait, is that shots at Lil Baby? Is it shout out all of the niggas named babies in the game, bro? Yeah, that's shots. Niggas say I'm the realest baby. Only 150 pounds, nigga. But I'm the biggest. By the way, nigga, you need to gain some weight, nigga. You only 150 pounds, little baby. You only a grown ass man, but you only 150 pounds, bro. Come on. Come on, but get
on fire, another house for hoes and spit. I can show you how to run it up, I really know this shit. Turn a pound into 100,000 on a golden list. I'm the illest, baby, and the realest,
baby. I'm the illest baby and the realest baby. The baby, what you gotta say about that? All the other babies, what you gotta say? Come on.
155 pounds, but I'm the biggest, baby.
Biggest.
These bags like kids can't leave them unattended, baby. Watch, I'ma get this money beat up when I finish, baby.
Thanks, I'm gonna get this bread, baby. Beat it when I finish. You know what I'm saying?
Came a long way from lunch trays and eating rice. Phone ain't got no service, I'm on a PJ shooting dice. Went from $50 to my name to 50K a night. You wanna fuck with a big Zaw, baby, you can't be scared of heights. I wanna take you to the 60th floor and fuck you in a pink. Come here, baby. Move them bags for me, baby.
This nigga sliding, bro. This nigga sliding, bro. Come on.
I pay your rent. Tinted windows on the rentals, nothing less than 5%. These niggas ain't ballin', you niggas be on the bench.
Dang, nigga. Come on, bro. You heard the man, bro. Hey, come on. Hey. Vital. Yeah, man. BossMan Dlow. PJ feature Lil Baby. Come on, man. Yeah, man. The man them slide, dog. The man them slide on that shit. That was lit. You know what I'm saying? That's a vibe. This nigga got vibes. BossMan Dlow. That's why he should like taking over. Taking everybody by storm. He got the vibes. Get the high energy. You see me? Yeah, you gotta get it. You can't be on that low mood no more. You see, everybody, people want upbeat shit. You see me? People been through all the depression shit. People been through the pandemic. People don't want to hear that shit. People want to be on that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, people want that hype upbeat shit now. But yeah, man, gang, drop your comments. Let me know anything about that one, eh? You see me? If you like, go show the artists on love and support. Let me know how to dance on it. I already know what time it is, man. Yeah, let's chop it up. Let me know if you're part. B6, Melly, all that good stuff. Yeah, let's chop it up in the comment section, gang. Let's have a discourse going. You already know what time it is, man. Yeah, drop your request. You're going to get your shout out. You already know what time it is. Next time, gang, take care of yourself and each other. You already know what time it is. Love you guys. Yeah, I'm out.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.